Here is the grand tour of the Lionel 2034 steam engine. I've cleaned it up and now it works properly. There was a thick layer of grime covering the entire exterior of the train, all of its sides, even into the grills. Still a bit in here, but that's okay, I can't get it out anyway. And inside, the entire gearbox was seized up. It moves perfectly smoothly now. I took these two screws out here and this screw out here, and I removed this internal gearbox. Then I took off the two wheels here and here, and I took apart the motor, and I re-greased everything, and I removed all of the old grease and grime and everything inside of this, and I replaced it with fresh, new white lithium grease lubricant stuff, so it'll work very well for a long time. So now the motor and the gears all turn smoothly. It glides across the table, and it works just as well as it did when it was new. I even put the original light bulb back into place. Maybe someday I'll get the track and try it out. Bye.